To know me is to know I love a good cleaning, decluttering, and organizing session. I may have done a few in the past. Today I am tackling our garage. Now, before you say, Sarah, I know you redid your garage and you organized and spent 8 hours this fall reorganizing it, decluttering it, cleaning it. It's mainly just disorganized right now because we've been doing a ton of yard work, got all the kids' toys out, so it's not completely crazy, but I do have some projects I want to tackle in here. I have about 2 hours. This is not a full 8-hour cleaning session. 2 hours that I want to kill to get our garage back in order now that we've had a few changes, now that it's almost summer, so that we're ready for all the wonderful weather. I know it looks bad. It's not as bad as it looks this time. Last time it was worse than it looked. This time not quite as bad as it looked. We just have a lot of stuff that needs to get put back and more orderly. But if you notice, my husband's home gym used to be here. He just sold it. He hasn't used it since the pandemic. And before that, he didn't use it for like 2 years. So it was time for it to go. Got some money in our pocket, feeling good. And we opened up like a fourth, half of the back of our garage, but like a fourth of our garage. So I have a storage rack I'm gonna be putting there because now we're gonna keep all of our Christmas stuff in here, which is just sitting here, and that's gonna have a home, and then all of this stuff in the middle will have a lot more space to live. So what I'm gonna do first is take most everything out, set up that shelving unit, get the Christmas stuff put in, clean, and then figure out where all this stuff is gonna go. Let's do this. And of course now it's starting to rain, so definitely not gonna put everything outside. So I think what I'm actually gonna do first is set up the storage unit, and then if it actually starts actively raining, I will just clean in sections. Because when you're a mom and you only have 2 hours to do something, you gotta do it then, whether it rains or not. These boxes say it takes 2, but that's just a suggestion, right? I mean, one determined woman, I think, can get the job done. This is worse than IKEA boxes. Somebody give me a name of the people who design these things to be completely frustrating. I've put together like 5 of these in my life. This is by far the worst. It's a totally different design and I can't figure it out. Somehow this is supposed to go in and this is supposed to go on it, but it's not gonna be. Is there supposed to be this giant gap? I don't think so. I don't understand. Put it this way. Still a gap. I don't get it, you guys. Hitting it with a rubber mallet really hard, is that the same thing as gently tapping it? Okay, I got one, I think. I don't know if I'm supposed to close that gap all the way. Okay, it's done. Thank goodness. That was awful. Never want to do that again. Okay, I'm just gonna fill this up with the Christmas stuff. Yay! I need to go get a lid for this one, but it all fits. Yay! So it hasn't actually rained, so I'm gonna try and risk it and put all of this stuff outside. Quick clean. I don't have to do a lot of deep cleaning because I already swept most of this. I already swept it in the fall and it hasn't gotten that dirty. So move everything out, sweep, and then put everything back. Decide what stuff I'm gonna put back over here. I think I'm gonna put like the bike trailer, these car seats that, I don't know, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put those. They're just like extra. And then, yeah, I think I'm just gonna mainly do, and I'll line up the bikes and stuff over here. That's my plan. Wow guys, look at that after. I am so happy. So we're actually probably gonna sell this, but for now it's in here. I know there's a lot of bikes and stuff. We've got 3 girls ages 1, 4, and 7, and I ran a daycare, so I have a lot. I did get rid of some, but as my little one outgrows the trikes, we'll get rid of those, but the bikes, my girls are still riding, so it is what it is, but I just like that they're out so that they can go grab whatever they want. got our scooters, our bike trailer, our bikes. They probably will come down and stay down for the summer, and then we'll put them back up because we don't park in here a lot in the winter. We've got our, or in the summer, we've got our lawnmower, our strollers. I got a double stroller and a single stroller. This is still nice. I'm still watching a couple extra kids, so that comes in really handy for that. Single stroller for our 1-year-old, and then this little trike stroller thing, and our water table so I can get access to that. I didn't really mess with this. I don't really care that much. To be quite honest, I don't need this to be perfect. So yeah, and then all of this open area. This is all garbage, and then we do have this elliptical that we need to get rid of, so that will be in here, but not for long. Well, I am done. I feel really good. It actually took me less than 2 hours, and that included putting together this annoying thing, which took way longer than I thought it would. So that's not bad for, you know, once, twice a year, 2 hours to clean and maintain the garage. There will be things we need to declutter probably this fall that, you know, once my little one grows out of things, but overall, I'm feeling really good. Just need to run some stuff to the dump, figure out what we're gonna do with this elliptical that's giant that doesn't work, and call it a day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what area of your home needs to be tackled. What did this motivate you to tackle? Is your garage better or worse than mine at the start of this video? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.